Can I get BritBox on Sony TV? Yes, you can get BritBox on a Sony TV, but the availability depends on your TV model and operating system. BritBox, a streaming service featuring British TV shows and movies, is officially supported on Sony Smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV. If your Sony TV does not have the BritBox app, you can still watch it using casting, AirPlay, or external streaming devices. 1. How to download and install BritBox on Sony Smart TV. If your Sony TV runs on Android TV or Google TV, follow these steps. Press the Home button on your Sony remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store from the Home menu. In the search bar, type BritBox and press Enter. Select the BritBox app and click Install. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your BritBox account or subscribe if you haven't. 2. How to watch BritBox without the app. If your Sony TV does not support BritBox, you can still watch it using these alternative methods. Method 1. Chromecast for Android and iOS users. Ensure your Sony TV has built-in Chromecast or connect a Chromecast device via HDMI. Download the BritBox app on your smartphone or tablet. Connect your phone and Sony TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the BritBox app, tap the cast icon, and select your Sony TV. The content will stream on your TV screen. Method 2. AirPlay for Apple users on compatible Sony TVs. If your Sony TV supports AirPlay, enable it in settings greater than AirPlay and HomeKit. On your iPhone or iPad, open the BritBox app. Tap the AirPlay icon and select your Sony TV. Your BritBox content will stream on your TV. Method 3. Using an external streaming device. If your Sony TV does not support BritBox, you can use Apple TV. Install the BritBox app from the App Store. Google Chromecast, cast BritBox from your phone to your Sony TV. Amazon Fire Stick. Install BritBox from the Amazon App Store. Roku device. Add the BritBox app and stream directly. Method 4. HDMI connection. Using a laptop or smartphone. Connect your laptop or phone to the TV using an HDMI cable and adapter, if needed. Open BritBox in a web browser or on the mobile app. Play your content and it will appear on the TV screen. 3. Troubleshooting BritBox on Sony Smart TV. If BritBox is not working on your Sony TV, try these fixes. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and install any available updates. Check your internet connection. Ensure a strong Wi-Fi connection for smooth streaming. Restart your TV and router. Power cycle your devices if the app is buffering or not loading. Reinstall the BritBox app. Uninstall and reinstall BritBox from the Play Store. Use a different streaming method. If the app isn't available, try casting or using a streaming device. Most Sony Smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV support the BritBox app, but if your model does not, you can still access BritBox using casting, AirPlay, an external streaming device, or an HDMI connection.